Hey, Alex. Have you ever thought about why we're so focused on improving our English skills?
Yeah, I've wondered. I mean, it's important, but sometimes it feels like a never-ending journey.
True, but think about it. English is like our ticket to a whole world of opportunities. We can connect with people from different cultures, travel easily, and even work in diverse fields.
You've got a point. But, I sometimes struggle with finding the right words.
Oh, I get that. You know what helped me? Watching English movies and series. It's like picking up the natural flow of the language.
I've tried that, but sometimes they talk so fast.
Totally get it. That's why I started with subtitles. It helps me match the words to their pronunciation. Slowly, you get used to the speed.
Good idea. I guess I should give that another shot. What else do you do?
Well, reading helps a lot. I started with simple books and articles. It expands your vocabulary, and you get a feel for sentence structure.
Yeah, I've heard that before. Any recommendations?
Start with something you're interested in. Like, if you're into tech, read tech blogs or articles. It makes the learning process more enjoyable.
Makes sense. I should probably find some articles about my hobbies.
Definitely. And hey, don't forget about speaking. Practice with me or find a language exchange partner. It's a game changer.
That's where I struggle the most. I get nervous about making mistakes.
Everyone does. It's how we learn. Plus, people appreciate the effort. Trust me, the more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Thanks. You make it sound doable.
It absolutely is. We're in this together. Maybe we can even plan a trip to an English-speaking country someday.
That sounds amazing. Let's do it.